Hi, this is Sive Morten with the daily update on EuroFX. I post my exclusive market overviews with the key political and economical events, charts, and important levels on the ForexPeaceArmy.com forums weekly. This short video is a response to rapidly changing situation on the currency markets and should help you to stay on top of the game and be profitable. I suggest you to visit ForexPeaceArmy.com forum and read my analysis for the week before watching this daily video.
Greetings everybody, guys. Let's take a look again on the gold market. So on the gold, finally we've got the action that we were waiting for a few weeks. So we said that market's forming the consolidation sooner or later, but it should be broken up since market starts to form clear bullish signs. So on daily chart, we do not have yet the breakout of the resistance, breakout of the triangle yet. And here is kind of the reversal session. It was formed. You can see that market almost has created a new low and closed above the top of the previous candle. And actually, this action engulfs 1, 2, 3, almost 4, 5 candles from previous week action, or even more. So this is upward action. So it means that the decision that we have made previously and this week and last week, considering taking the long position, was correct. And currently, we're just watching when the market will hit the target, how market will continue upward action. At least whatever will happen on the non-farm proposal is we do not care much, because currently we easily could move stops to the break-even and see what will happen. So purely following the technical picture, this picture suggests the reaching of the 1770 target, at least this area. So that's what we're watching for today as well. On the 4-hour time frame chart, we have ABCD pattern. This market finally is coming to motion inside of this range. It's turning up, shows some acceleration rate, the OP. This is really good sign, and take a look at it. It moves out of the range. This, as we said, will be a decisive moment, so market has to turn up inside of this range or be prepared for a collapse, miserable drop on the short-term charts, on the daily, on the intraday charts. With this action, market keeps well at the butterfly as well, and in general confirms existence of some bullish sentiment on the market, this upward action. OP target is not very interesting for us here. It's more interesting is XOP, and around the XOP stands very important moment. As we mostly wait for 1770, XOP stands in 1750. And it's a question how market could move $20 higher on this action. But take a look where the XOP stands. XOP stands the few cents above, or few bucks maybe, above the previous top. What stands above the top? Right. Here stands stop orders. So once market will hit the XOP, these orders will be triggered. This top almost is doomed just because of existence XOP right above it. It means that once XOP will be reached, stop orders will push price higher, and that led market to complete the 1770 area. So that's interesting nuance that happens very often when the target extension stands above some extreme point, above the previous top or low. So that's the moment that we have. Bullish divergence still in place. It suggests moving above this top. Also suggests the upward continuation. Now, what we could do on the hourly chart. First of all, those of you who have taken position in this consolidation on the 30% support and 618 support, now move stuff to break even and see what will happen. Your participant in this trade most is completed, because now you already have the position, you're just watching and controlling overall price action. Those of you who do not have the long position, but you're considering taking the long position, there's a few moments on this possible decision. So here, guys, we have few levels. You can see this fib level tree that we have. In the current circumstances, market should not show deep retracement, because deep retracement is already done right here. That is already extension mode. Market not at every bottom, not at some significant resistance level. So if retracement will happen, it will be small. Take a look, something of that sort. 30% pullback on the most recent hidden reaction point by the Jordan Apple and frosting action. I would say in the current circumstances that keep in keep an eye on the two levels, this one and that one, where a position could be taken. The 1706 conference supports also retesting of this trend line, neckline of this head and shoulder special, right? With the placing stop initially below the next conference. So we have two conference areas, 1706 and approximately 70 even. So in the current circumstances, you could think about taking position on these two levels, maybe split your position or take the whole position here or here. That decision is up to you. So you could move differently at this moment, where and in what proportion to take the position, in what ratio. But initially, stop should be placed below the conference. Once market will start upward action, move stops below this conference area. So that's a general idea how you could still take part in this trade, because before the non-farm payrolls, maybe some volatility could happen. Maybe market even will show some pullback after the breakout in these few hours while market is waiting for non-farm payrolls release. Anyway, if any possibility will happen and you consider taking the long position, be prepared to small retracement. Do not count on the deep retracement. The market will show a very, very deep drop. No, so be very small. And manage your stops around the conference levels. So initially placed stop below second conference. Once market and you have entered position starts bounce up from this area, move stops almost at the break-even, just below the next conference. That's the common rules how to manage trades in current circumstances. So now let's see what we will get in the moment of the data release.